Temporary work areas or projects such as construction, tunnels, building maintenance, and more require you to bring your own lighting to the site. These hard-to-reach locations are typically dark and don't have accessible power, making string lights one of the best lighting solutions for these types of rugged environments. String lights allow you to utilize a single source of power for multiple lamps along a single line or string. Several string lights can effectively illuminate a temporary job site. Larson Electronics industrial string lights are designed to support remote work areas and temporary projects. Available in different cord types and lighting configurations, we offer heavy-duty string lights up to 100 feet with 10 lamps. Each light head is equipped with a top-located hook or small opening for temporary mounting in the work site. Models with lighting cages or guards for protection are suitable for rugged locations. Check out our complete selection of string lights at larsonelectronics.com. Please like, subscribe, and share. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.